Happy New Year, everyone. It is New Year's Day 2019. I am responding to a report of no dial tone. We have a fiber-fed remote terminal here that contains a pair of Adtran TA850s, which provide analog POT services to this small community. The consensus from engineering is that the RCU modules need replacing, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and also replace the power supply units and remove any echo cancellation modules that might be installed per engineering. So let's open this bad boy up and we'll get started. Okay, so here we have the cabinet opened up, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I said that this was fiber fed. That was my mistake. It's actually fed by T1s. You can see the NIUs up on top of the battery bank on the left side here, and on the right are the TA850s that we're going to be working on today. There's also a DSLAM in here as well for DSL services. The DSL is fine, it's the phone lines that are experiencing problems. So I'm going to swing around to the other side here so you can see. Whoa. A little bit of a drop off right there, sorry about that. There's the back of the 850s. And we have our cross-connect section. So first things first, we got to cut the power. To do so, we need to pull the fuse, which is around to the other side. Up here on the fuse block, I need to identify which fuse controls power to which 850. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and we'll come back to it. Okay, so I followed the wires that provide power to each of these 850 units. They go up to the back of this fuse block here, and we're connected on slot 3 for both. Slot 3 on this side and slot 3 over here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the fuses and go from there. Okay, so we've got everything swapped out. There's what it looks like. Gonna just double check the dial tone. I have my butt set hooked up to one of the ports here. And we have good dial tone, so that should do it, and we'll catch you on the next one.